The Redmi K80 and K80 Pro are expected to launch sometime in November this year in China, which could be rebranded as the Poco F7 and F7 Pro in markets outside the country. The phones have already bagged radio certification. Now a leak reveals the camera specifications of the Redmi K80 series. Both Redmi K80 series phones will be equipped with 3 cameras, of which the main camera is 50 megapixels. According to the leak, the standard version will equip a telephoto camera, while the telephoto on the Pro version will have an upgraded 50 megapixel 3x zoom from the 2x of last year's K70 Pro. In addition to that, both phones will also have IP69 dust and water resistance rating. While both the standard and Pro models were previously expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the report claims that the K80 Pro will use the yet-to-be-released Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. If true, the K80 Pro will likely offer a major improvement in CPU, GPU, and AI performance. For context, last year's standard and Pro models equipped the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8 Gen 3 chips respectively. However, Tipster Digital Chat Station also made a post today claiming that Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset costs $190, which is about 20% more expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. While we don't know the pricing of the upcoming phones yet, the K70 and K70 Pro were launched in China last year with a starting price equivalent to $352 and $465 respectively. So the new phones may come with a higher price tag. According to previous reports, the Redmi K80 series will equip a 6.67-inch 2K 120Hz display from TCL Hwasong Optoelectronics, which uses an upgraded C9 display material. Redmi K80 Pro is also expected to pack a 6500 mAh massive battery, which seems to be a trend for 2024 flagships and performance-centric devices. For reference, the K70 series packs a much smaller 5000 mAh battery.